Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable sound recognition on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to enable sound recognition on your iPhone, just open the Settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Sound Recognition. Now from here, just make sure to enable Sound Recognition. Now from here, just tap on Sounds. Now from here, just select the sounds which you want your iPhone to recognize. For an example, if you select cat and if you enable this option, it will notify you every time it detects the sound of a cat. Now, if you scroll down, you can turn on doorbell and it will do the same. It will notify you when it detects the sound of a doorbell. And also you can enable baby crying and it will notify you every time it detects the sound of a baby crying. And also if you tap on alert tones, you can select the tone of the notification which you want to get notified with. Just like that. And this is how you can enable sound recognition on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.